Zeno Factory Manual Lathe Machine. Manual Lathe Machine CM6241. CM6241 is the ultimate solution for professionals who value precision, control, and reliability. CM6241 annual production of 300 sets. CM6241 bed is hardened and bed hardness Vert 50. Spindle speed 1,800 revolutions per minute as standard. You could choose 3,000 revolutions per minute. 3 jaws self-centering check, 200 millimeters. Steady rest and follow rest as standard. Manual tailstock as standard. These accessories will be free for you. The luxurious tool protective cover with LED lights. Uniquely designed, this machine truly stands out. CM6241 will be your good helper. Professionalism is what you need, and that's precisely us.